Okay, you're responsible for safeguarding your organization's sensitive information, and every day, confidential data flows continuously through your applications, email, in and out of your security and infrastructure boundaries. Your company's newest collaborators are Gen AI, and they could be handling some of your most sensitive data. Integrating artificial intelligence services into workflows is productive, but complexity, the rise in shadow AI, and trying to keep up with data classifications have put security teams kind of on high alert. Do we lock down the use around AI tools, limiting productivity gains, or do we risk exposure of sensitive data? It's not a good trade-off. 68% of professionals that we surveyed reported restrictions or outright bans for Gen AI to prevent potential data leaks. With a vast amount of data being shared with AI, how do we detect the leaking of sensitive information in real time? Conventional approaches often rely on scanning data at rest, often too late to mitigate any actual incidents. With the vast amount of data stored for large language models or context-aware augmented responses, scanning would never catch up. Alternatively, if data is routed through several traditional inspection services, SSL bridging requirements and performance impacts would drastically slow down AI services, rendering the entire workflow unusable for customer needs. We need something more immediate, something a little smarter, something more proactive. Following F5's recent acquisition of LeakSignal and their data classification engine, we can transparently monitor AI traffic in transit, inspecting every prompt and response. Integrated into F5's application delivery and security platform, already proxying and securing application traffic, the data classification engine service identifies sensitive information, including PII, financial data, health records, source code, any other form of intellectual property defined by you at time of inference. Building on natural language processing and named entity recognition, we instantly recognize patterns, relationships, context, enabling detection far beyond traditional static inspection models. Using policy-based actions, we can choose to log, redact, or block content before it reaches these models or exits sensitive data locations. Data leakage detection and prevention will stop incidents as they happen, but part of being proactive is analyzing incidents and preventing future occurrences from even initiating. Detailed detection information is streamed to your preferred SIEM or SOAR toolchain, assisting security engineers to find out how incidents are originating. This detailed analysis capability helps you see where your data is going, who's accessing or sending it, and if its movement aligns with your classification policies or signals real threat activity. This classification engine functionality is integrated into F5's AI Gateway, making it a powerful and flexible enforcement point for securing AI traffic. So, how does it work? Users, applications, or agentic processes accessing AI resourcing pass through traditional load balancing or proxy services, allowing layer 4 through 7 standard security controls to operate. Think API security, web app firewalls, bot management, to name a few. As application traffic is passed to inference infrastructure, F5's AI Gateway, integrated with the new classification engine for data leakage detection and prevention, or DLDP, inspects and secures AI traffic in flight. Model routing, caching, prompt injection detection, advanced natural language processing, coupled with DLDP services, make sure your AI infrastructure isn't accidentally passing around your sensitive data or being manipulated with malicious intent. Additionally, this inline enforcement directly addresses OWASP's top 10 for LLMs risk number 2, sensitive information disclosure, preventing inadvertent or malicious exposure of regulated or confidential data. Combined with prompt injection protections, F5's AI Gateway secures and provides guardrails for your inference infrastructure, securing the moment when AI meets your data. In microseconds, you gain insights and alerts about data movements and activity that could indicate leakage. Preventative measures don't just detect leaks, they intelligently stop them, automatically press pause on suspicious transfers, quarantine risky content, and enforce immediate policy compliance. Analyzing traffic as it transits through application delivery and security services captures richer context. Understanding what application, user identification, and exact action gives clear, actionable insights, far superior to relying on post-mortem forensic reconstructions of events to determine impact. Stopping inevitable AI data leaks in real time reduces financial damage and reputational harm. Timely intervention significantly limits the scope and impact of data privacy violations or intellectual property leaks. Risk reduction is a measurable benefit out of the gate. Simply put, analyzing and acting on data in motion rather than after the fact vastly increases your organization's ability to detect and prevent unwanted leaks, mitigate damage, maintain compliance and security programs, but most importantly, gives you back control. Ensuring your sensitive information remains secure shouldn't be reactionary, it should be smart, and it should be immediate. For enterprises navigating the complexity of scaling and securing their AI applications, F5 gives control back to not only see your data, but secure it proactively, intelligently, and scale with your AI endeavors. To find out how F5 can strengthen your AI security strategy, reach out today. If you like this content and would like to see more, do the social button things down below. Follow us here at DevCentral. Mahalo.